Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most affordable and practical electric vehicles of 2025, the new Wuling Hongwong Mini EV. Small in size, but big on value. Let's take a closer look. Exterior. From the outside, the 2025 Wuling Hongwong Mini EV continues its minimalist yet charming design language. It's compact, urban-friendly, and packed with personality. The updated front fascia features sharper LED headlights, a smoother bumper profile, and a sleeker grille design. Side profiles remain boxy but functional, maximizing space efficiency. The rear has been refreshed slightly, with new taillights and a cleaner design overall. With several new color options and stylish two-tone combinations, the 2025 model looks better than ever while staying true to its city car DNA. Interior. Step inside and you'll find surprising upgrades. Despite its small footprint, the Mini EV offers a clever and spacious interior. The dashboard has been redesigned with a more modern layout, featuring a new 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. Materials have improved too. The new upholstery options and added soft touch elements make it feel more premium. Storage compartments are intelligently placed, and the 4-seater configuration remains comfortable for city commutes. The digital instrument cluster is clear and minimal, giving you all the essential info at a glance. Performance. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the 2025 Mini EV now comes with improved battery options. The base model includes a 13.9 kWh battery offering around 170 km of range, while the top variant gets a 26.5 kWh battery that pushes the range closer to 300 km on a single charge. Powered by a single electric motor, it produces around 30 to 40 horsepower depending on the variant. While it's not built for speed, it handles city traffic with ease, and the instant torque makes it feel zippy and responsive in urban environments. Charging remains simple. A full charge takes about 6 to 9 hours on a regular outlet. Price and value. One of the biggest reasons for the Wuling Hongwong Mini EV's popularity is its unbeatable price. In 2025, it still holds the crown for being one of the most affordable electric vehicles globally. Prices start at around $5,500 and go up to just under $10,000 for the fully loaded models. It's the perfect solution for first-time EV buyers, students, or anyone looking for a cheap, reliable way to get around town with zero emissions. Outro. So that's the 2025 Wuling Hongwong Mini EV, compact, efficient, and still the king of affordable electric cars. What do you think? Is this your next urban runabout? Drop your thoughts in the comments, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.